Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Simply CM, and today is anong araw today? Today is Sunday. Happy Easter sa ating lahat. And ito yung mga panahon talaga na I wish na nasa Pinas ako kasi yung mga posts sa Facebook, halos lahat mga binignit. Alam niyo ba yung binignit sa mga Tagalog dyan? I don't know what it is in Bilo-Bilo ata sa Tagalog, but anyway, in Bisaya it's binignit. And yeah, I've been seeing everyone posting binignit, and ako wala ako dito, pero okay lang. That's fine. And today is, ano ba ang oras ngayon? Basta it's afternoon na guys, and we are on our way to the colony. And yeah, wala pa kaming lunch, so we're just gonna take out, drive through sa McDonald's kasi nga it's going to be a very busy day. Papunta kaming colony and we're gonna clean up there para ma-ready na siya for the summer. So yeah, so that's the activity for today, and I'm gonna bring you guys para makita nyo yung yung mga gagawin natin today. And it's been a long time na hindi ako nag-vlog kasi nga sobrang busy. I work in a shop, in a clothing shop, kaya during this time yung parang pa spring na ngayon, pero alam niyo yung parang pa from the cold to warm weather, halos lahat nagsha-shopping, ganyan. So sobrang busy at nag-overtime work, ganyan. But it's fine. So yeah, so day off natin today, so we're gonna be super productive. So yun, see you.
If anybody wants to find me, I'll be in the last place you would look, in a place where people used to be, a land that's called reality. You'll find me there. I won't be catching up on Reddit, I won't be watching any news. I'll let the planet spin without me, 'cause everything has been without me.
This is my favorite drink in McDonald's. I have to say, I mean, we've been eating, different fries from everywhere. But the best fries still is McDonald's.
Still Burger King.
No, actually not.
Fries from a real pizzeria. Also better.
No. I think the McDonald's got a different, smell, taste that will actually, enhance
It's
the
about
flavor.
five.
Huh?
You take coffee with your cream, you squeak like a teen, and the Hugh Grant stuff you've watched enough, you mumble it in your dreams. You rock out on a broom and mangle some.
Oh, I love cheese.
You know, I say, he said, you say you'll never fight with captains, and we never fight. Maybe Cap will fight with me, and I don't recognize it as a fight. I don't know.
And then? It's because I'm so easy.
I also said something, it's because I'm so easy. I'm very good, so.
I think I'm very easy.
Take your order, sir, I'm taken by surprise. She's got a gentle kindness in her smile and a shining in her eyes. I need for her to see that I am not like other guys. I'll take a 6-piece McNugget and a small order of fries. Well, Jasmine, you're like the sweetest tea disagree. You are my fast food fantasy.
Hi guys, so ito na. Grabe ang kalat. Grabe ang daming gagawin. But today I'm gonna focus here. Medyo okay naman sa kwartong ito. And then Martin just assembled this cabinet from IKEA. IKEA, same. Tapos, yeah, so I'm just gonna clean a little bit. You can see ang daming mga paganyan. So I'm gonna clean up and then put some of those clothes na nandun sa boxes dito para kahit papano medyo maging aliwalas ang lahat. Oh my God. Oh. Removed, ready.
You come from outer space, and I was sprung out from the earth. We laid down face to face to witness our rebirth, and I'm not leaving while you're breathing. I won't run away.
Ay. It's taking so much time. Then I'm just gonna put everything on the I'm gonna put see ang daming ano, gonna put everything on the floor and then vacuum natin siya sa floor. Way easier. There. Cover. Ano guys, dapat labhan talaga namin to pero we have not been sleeping here yet. And yung washing dito hindi pa nag-work. So for now, tanggalin na lang natin yung alam niyo na yung grabing mga alikabok. It also serve as a protection para sa bed talaga. So kaya ganun. But I'm gonna wash it later na pag okay na yung ano dito, washing. That one. Ang gandang jacket nito guys. Parang, alam mo yung nasa bahay ka lang tapos cozy, ganyan. Ano, sa Shein ko to nabili last year pero ginagamit ko pa din siya pag medyo nagiginaw-ginaw ako sa bahay. Guys, may bago pala akong nabili na damit. Ito ay ito ay from Shein. Tingnan nyo. Pero medyo malaki siya. Tapos, maganda to pang, ano ba, pang spring kasi, maganda lang. Feel ko lang sabihin maganda. Tapos, may partner na short.
You take coffee with your cream. You squeak like a teen. And the Hugh Grant stuff you've watched enough. You mumble it in your dreams. You rock out on a broom and mangle some tunes. On weekends you dance in jammy pants until the afternoon. And I know it's hard to think that someone could be in sync with all your eccentricities. You're perfect in the perfect way. You're perfect and I hope you stay. Your goofy little self eternally. Oh, I'm weird like you, I know it's true. I'm in the clouds up there with you. You think you're flawed, but wouldn't you agree? You're perfect for me. You talk to yourself and answer as well. You read ahead on Walking Dead before you watch the show. You eat bread with fur. You still call me sir. There's a piece of gum from 91 that's hiding in your purse. But no matter.
There we go. Oh my god, the struggle is real. Okay, but at least one down. Nice. Adjust ko muna kayo. There. So, medyo pagod tayo ngayon. Ang dami natin ginawa. And then tomorrow, mag-work na naman ako. But it's a bit of a short day from 7 in the morning until 3 in the afternoon kasi yung closing time pag Saturday 4 pero off ako ng 3. So, maganda kasi madami pong magagawa pagdating dito. And then, yeah, and a while ago I said today is Sunday. Hindi pala. Oh, today is Friday. Today's Friday, April 7. So, this is the bedroom pagkapasok. May pa-window pa dyan and we have to buy a curtain for that one because obviously I don't wanna be sleeping here and then kita-kita kami sa labas. And then, dito yung cabinet na medyo naayos na. Nilagyan ko na ng mga gamit namin. But we still got a lot of other things. Mga damit doon sa aming apartment. Pero, titingnan natin yan kasi kailangan natin magbawas. Wala talaga tayong masyadong space. And then, beside here, may space pa. And itong nasa box is mga sapatos. And ito yung mga sapatos na nagagamit ko pa. Kaya ayaw ko talagang itapon. So, the plan is we're gonna buy a cabinet. Or maybe Martin is gonna build one. We don't know. Let's see. But this is gonna be the place where the shoes are. And then, yeah, for now, nasa box na muna. Kasi wala talagang space for that. Tapos ito na yung when you go out sa bedroom. Tapos kita nyo na ako. And then sa left side, toilet na agad. There. Tapos, na-arrange ko na konti. May mga nalagay na ako mga products dyan na ginagamit ko. This side here is Martin. That side there is mine. And then, yeah. Tapos, nilalagyan ko ng mga anong tawag nito? Candle para mabango naman kahit papano. And then, in this side here, dito namin nilalagay yung towels, ganyan. Tapos sa pinakababa is yung toilet paper. Oy, sorry. Diyan. And then dito naman is yung washing machine namin na hindi pa nagpa-function kaya medyo nakalabas siya. Kasi iko-connect pa dyan sa likod. Yeah. Yun na lang yung kulang, water connection. Iko-connect na lang, magiging okay na. Tapos in this side here, this is the shower area. Ganyan. So, medyo okay na talaga siya. And then this side here, palabas tayo. Andito na. Makikita nyo na ang kalat. Pero at least there's 2 rooms na okay. Kusina. Ref dyan guys. And it's a very nice idea na yung ref is nasa loob siya ng parang cabinet para uniform siya dito. And then obviously dyan, yan, dami pang kalat. Pero magagawa yan. But at least for today, natapos namin yung bed at saka yung toilet. Yeah. So, yun nga. Yun nga guys, parang dito na ata itatapos ko na yung video na to. Ang dami pa naming gawin. We have to talk pa kung saan nilalagay yung mga ibang gamit. So, anong oras na ba? Wait lang. Pa 7 na ng gabi, and tomorrow I have to go to work 7 in the morning, off ng 3, and then the next day off ko. So, medyo maganda yung schedule ko. And then, yeah, that's gonna be it. And actually, today is April 7, Friday. Kasi sinabi ko kanina, it's Sunday. Ewan ko ba? My God. But anyway, yun. Thank you so much for watching. And I hope na-enjoy nyo yung aking video.